Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have some things to show you today. They come to us from Diamond Art Gift. Now, before we talk about this, I'm going to show the one that's upside down first. I want everybody to realize that you may not know, these come in bags like this, all right? And then they come packaged in just a little plastic bag. I've taken them out of the individual plastic bags. But that's how they come. And sometimes that's not enough protection and they get a little banged up. So let me show you an example of what I mean. This one is a little oversized. The smaller ones I usually don't have any trouble with. But this one was a little larger. And as you can tell, it got folded and a little mangled. Now, I have laid it out flat. I've lifted the plastic off the front and leveled it back down, trying to flatten it. This one's going to need some help. This one's going to need an iron to flatten out some of these wrinkles. It got folded. The end of it got folded in the bag because it was longer. It was just kind of a hot mess, which is unfortunate because it's an absolutely beautiful diamond painting, right? Absolutely gorgeous. I am always with you. If you don't know, you know the sentiment with cardinals is when cardinals are near, angels appear, right? And this is just, this is ironic. This is the day after my sister, my dad, and I went to pick out a cemetery plot for my mom and my dad. And there was a cardinal hanging around. Yeah. So a little ironic that today I'm filming this and that happened yesterday, but that's the sentiment with this. So it's unfortunate it got a little mangled, but I'm going to iron some special drill canvases here soon. I might just give this one an iron as well. It's got 28 colors. I loved the little blocks of different things like cardinals, flowers, and then, the bigger one in the center. It's a 50 by 50. So like I said, it's a larger size. I'm certain it's not a full 50. It's probably gonna be 45 by 45 centimeters. Let's see. I shall let you know. So from edge to edge here, no, it's only 41 and a half. It's not even 45. So it's really a 40 by 40. We'll call it a 40 by 40, a full 40 by 40. Yeah, it's 41 and a half. Anyhow, the drills came this way as well. So this is not my favorite packaging at all. It's manageable. As long as the drills are good, that's all that matters. But all these little bags, you have to open every single one up individually when you're kitting up. You'll have multiple little bags of colors, So this is what I'd consider old school. It works, but it's not my favorite. So like I said, when I'm ironing today, I think I'll give this one an iron as well and, get it into a little better shape. Okay, next one I got is this beautiful monarch butterfly. That's so pretty. I love that one. I think I can zoom you in a little now. Not out, in. There we go. Monarch butterflies flitting around. I love to watch the butterflies. We get monarch butterflies quite often around here because we live out in, farm country. Milkweed grows like just everywhere. So that's what, that's what they like. Anyhow, this one has 24 colors, lots of blues. This is not one color in the background, as you can tell. It's got multiple blues. Very pretty. I like it. All letters for your symbols. Clear. I know, it doesn't want to focus. I always have to hit a button. Why can't I have a camera that autofocuses? I don't know. I have to do it manually. Some people like that. Some people complain about their autofocuses. I don't know. It works, whatever. Okay, so there's that. Anyhow, the drills came packaged in baggies like this. The number of the kit is written on here. Oh, it even has the size, 30 by 40. And there's our number. This is actually staying on there pretty good. It's not rubbing off very easily. I'm still gonna put a sticker on it, but that's how the drills are coming these days. In a lot of the kits. Not all of the kits, but a lot of them. That's how the drills are coming. Did you want to see the colors? It's blues, greens, oranges, right? That's what it is. Maybe gray. Anyhow. All right. Let's look at this next one. This next one is super cute. super duper cute. Oh my gosh, I could not resist him. Right? Looks like my little neighbor, cow. Except, well, it's not really. This one's a Holstein. They're milk cows. And my little neighbor guy, he's a meat cow. He just happens to have a lot of weight. But anyhow, isn't that adorable? Just adorable. I love him. I wish I could just sit down and just do one of these in a couple days, but they take too long for me. I mean, they really do. It's a 30 by 40, but it still takes me forever. I'd love to just whip that one up because he's super cute. He's got 20 colors, all these flowers and butterflies. It's adorable. I love him. So let's look at the drills. Now see, these come packaged. I have all different packaging. We have drills like this. I have drills like this. And now I have drills like this. All different. You know, it all depends on the manufacturers. You know, which factory's making them, because, you know, I'm certain that these different companies just buy from the manufacturers and fill their stores. And that's, you know, they get what they get when they buy. Black, burgundy, green, orange and yellow, blue, dark blue, olive, some gray, browns, more burgundy, a little green, orangey browns, green, a little purple, blue, brown, another orangey color. Love it. I just love him. Just like, boom. Can you be done? Just, no, it doesn't happen that way, does it? All right, last one. I might get this one done. I might do this one. All right, let's show you what we have. I think my bag ripped open on the side. Yep, we have a blowout on the side. So, might as well just finish opening it, right? Toolkit, drills. Here's our base. Regular plain base, no drills on it. You get two. Sometimes I don't use both of these. It's too much. One works just fine. These are little tabletop decor. And it's another Easter one. They have new Easter stuff out. They did a whole bunch for Easter. I'm waiting for them to do like Halloween, fall, pumpkin stuff. Again, can I help you? I need to help you. I've got ideas. Can I help design? This is super cute though. It's only one-sided because it literally is a tabletop decoration. And it goes in here when you're done and just stands up on your table. Love it. These are so cute. Fun, easy to do. I have a couple sitting around my house right now. Yeah. All right, here's our drills. Here we go. What do we have? We have pink, magenta, another pink, yellows, very, very light pale yellow, clear, blue, coral, another pink. Look at all that icky stuff in there. I think it's something they put in there so they won't be staticky, but ugh. A gold color, a couple of greens, and then here's our only special are these little pink teardrops, little raindrop looking things. Cute, 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 cute. All right, so that's what I got, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. What do you like? Tell me what you like. What's your favorite? And he's quick and easy. I can throw him in for smashing the specials. I mean, then I'll have to find my Easter box and put him away. And come on, cow, cow, cow. Who doesn't love a cow? He's a cute cow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done rambling. It's good stuff. All good stuff, right? I like them all. The butterflies, the cardinals, the cow. It's all good. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back later. See more stuff. I'll be here. I'll just be hanging out waiting for you. Okay. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.